Alright, let's check out this print. You may or may not have just seen it on live printing. This is Ninjaflex Ninjatech TPU. This is a minimalist wallet that I designed some years back, and I just felt like because I had the TPU in there, I wanted to see what happened if I printed it out of the TPU. So here's the basic. So this is actually, I don't know if that's polycarbonate or PET G. I don't remember. Might be PET G. I really don't know. So, I've done a bunch of different materials. I think I said somewhere that what I was carrying around currently was the polyethylene version, but that one was white. I don't know what I did with that, and I just like it's just a fun model. So it's got this expansion joint in the bottom, and I changed this a little bit today. So this is just a sacrificial piece in the middle that basically pops out, and that just gets rid of that stringing. But it was a solid piece before, and I said, I don't need to throw away all that material, especially when I realized this stuff's like, I don't know, it's like $80 a spool or something. And so I just have these sacrificial pieces here, so it gets rid. You can see all that stringing in between. So that would be part of the wallet if I didn't have this sacrificial piece. Just pop that out, and now I have a nice clean rubbery wallet. And I'm not sure how much I'll like it. I think if I put like more money in it or whatever, then it's good, because I don't want to show too much information there. But so I tend to stuff money in there, and it also helps to hold the cards in. We'll see how much I like this one. Maybe for TPU, I would close this. Maybe I would put like a sort of a S-shaped or diagonal line, just something to resist opening up so much here, because it could definitely fall at the bottom. You can download this if you wanted to. I think I put a price of like, I would have put 99 cents, but it's euros, so I put 99 euros. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know if anybody's going to buy it. People have downloaded it. It was free previously. I like to put stuff up there free, get a few downloads, and then put it on there for $1 or whatever. And then if people are interested enough, if they can't afford $1, that's not my problem. But anyway, I really like these wallets. I've been carrying them since I made them years ago. Definitely like this Ninjaflex TPU. Thinking of getting the even softer stuff that's also certified skin safe, but it's like $100 a spool, and so maybe not, maybe so. Time will tell. So anyway, thanks for watching.